Hello and welcome back. All this talk of the ocean rescue and going to the beach has made me think about when we go to the beach. And Monty and Cookie, as you can imagine, like everybody I think, loves the beach. They love to go to the beach. So we take them whenever we can, and Monty likes to paddle and Cookie likes to swim. But when we go to the beach, and I'm sure you do this or your grown-ups do this, they probably have to do it for you. We take our beach bag. So this is our beach bag, and let's have a look, see what we have in our beach bag. So we have a water bowl. We have a nice big water bowl for the dogs, because that's very important. They get a drink. Sounds like a drum, doesn't it? And of course, towels. Where would we be without towels? So we usually take a few towels. These are nice ones with our Monty and Cookie little paw prints on there. So these are our doggy towels. We take some poopy bags. Got to take poopy bags. So we always take our poopy bags with us. And we usually take some treats for lunchtime. And these are Monty and Cookie's favourite ones. These are little fishy treats. So it's all about the beach and the sea today, isn't it? Even their treats are fishy treats. So they love their fishy treats. I might let them have one in a minute if they're good. And most importantly, we always take a water bottle, but we take a refillable water bottle, so that we don't want to take plastic really. And if you do have to take plastic, then we need to make sure we bring it home with us. Sometimes when we're finished, we have our nice big bag here, we maybe pick up some of the rubbish that sometimes gets left at the beach. Now if you ever do this, it's very important that you always do it with an adult, with a grown-up. And if you're picking things up ever off the beach, well, anywhere really, it's always good to wear gloves, but it's much better to do it with an adult. And there are little groups around that do organised beach cleans. Monty and Cookie are part of a group called Paws on Plastic, and this is a group of dog walkers who pick up plastic when they see it on the beach. Obviously, you know that everything's well organised, and they have always wear gloves. So this is our beach bag. So have a think about the things that you'd pack in your beach bag. So we'll be back a little bit later. Have a think about a lovely day on the beach with a beach bag.